Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Coco Island GPO hours and any holiday closures so you don't arrive after services close. Next, gather your ID, parcel details, tracking number, and payment method, these speed processing. Check transport options now, regular ferry timetables, charter availability, or local flight connections so you can choose based on time and cost. Once done, book the earliest reliable option and note arrival and departure windows so you won't miss the last. You should arrive 45 to 60 minutes before your ferry or flight and allow extra time for baggage checks and local clearance. While en route, confirm the exact Coco Island GPO location and the local dock or airstrip name so your driver or tender knows where to meet you. Make sure you have both digital and printed tickets, emergency contact numbers, and some small cash for last-mile fees. If weather delays occur, keep flexible plans and communicate your arrival time. When you arrive, verify the Coco Island GPO counter number and service queue so you're in the right line. Present ID and tracking info promptly. If your parcel is missing or status looks wrong, ask the clerk to run an immediate tracking lookup and escalate to the supervisor while you wait. For transport or processing delays, request a written delay notice and the head office contact. This gives you evidence for refunds or formal complaints. If needed, remain polite but firm to get rapid resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.